Hi, this is a short tour of Sunway Pyramid Mall. Located around 23 kilometers from KLCC, Sunway Pyramid Mall is actually connected to a water theme park. I think about 3 hotels and also a service apartment which is connected to the mall itself. So what I did was just did some research on the website. It opened in 1997. It's a pretty huge mall, around 4.3 million square feet of retail, and the core is actually the Egyptian-inspired pyramid, as you can see from the entrance itself. The mall itself has a indoor ice skating rink. There's also a cinema, and going up the escalator there's a VR arcade, and there's also a bowling alley and also an archery. There are 2 main anchor tenants, which is the Parkson Grand and the Aeon, the Japanese departmental store Aeon. You can look out for the blue atrium and look out for the Texas chicken as a landmark. It will lead you to the main entrance for the Sunway Lagoon water theme park. The mall actually has most of the international brands like Harvey Norman, you have Foot Locker, JD Sports, and then you have it's quite diverse in terms of Uniqlo, H&M, Vans. There's a lot of local and also international brands throughout the whole mall. There's also a lot of F&Bs, a lot of coffee shops. There's also the Starbucks Reserve. You have Dunkin' Donuts, Kenny Rogers. From my experience, it take you roughly about a whole day to cover the whole mall itself.